Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stock water. First, gather your vegetable scraps like onion skins, carrot peels, and celery ends. Avoid cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or cabbage, as they can make your stock bitter. You'll also need a few aromatics like bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. This simple process transforms kitchen waste into a versatile culinary base, enhancing your cooking with rich, natural flavors. To begin, collect about 6 to 8 cups of clean vegetable scraps. Good choices include onion skins, carrot peels, and the leafy ends of celery. Next, add some aromatics to your pot. A whole onion, quartered, 2 celery stalks, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns will provide a robust flavor foundation. Ensure all vegetables are thoroughly washed before use. Now, place all your prepared vegetable scraps and aromatics into a large stock pot. Pour 8 to 10 cups of cold water over the ingredients, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Do not boil vigorously. Let it simmer, uncovered, for about 45 to 60 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your stock has simmered, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, discarding the solids. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and risottos. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.